how's it going guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have highlighted some of the most outstanding vac cleaners, and we are still trying to bring more reviews about vac cleaners to give you guys a wider range of choice to meet your own appetite. This time, we have got this handheld vac cleaner from Redkey, which specifically targets at middle class market but has integrated with some of the most practical using experiences for its users. And also be noted that this guy hasn't launched into the market yet. So if you wanted to have one of these from us, please leave a comment below so we can get back to you. So as a rising brand, Redkey is rather providing a simple as well as high efficiency cleaning solution to their users to satisfy all their expectations and needs from a vac cleaner. Right as their slogan goes, all in one piece. And Redkey is no offering. So cut from here, if you're looking for a handheld vac cleaner, you don't even need to go through all this video because it's just so reliable and trustworthy. Not only has a pressure sensor, there's also a blocking sensor right in its air tube when it feels like something has blocked the air. The suction power will also automatically go up to gear 5 to suck up the object that is blocking. So with this function, you don't need to bother worrying what if a large piece of debris that will make any damage to the vac cleaner. The original Redkey vac cleaner has 5 gears of suction power for users to manually adjust freely and plugging for multiple using scenarios. Let's say I'm using this guy on a wooden floor at the very beginning, and I suddenly move on to a carpet without changing the power gear manually. The brush head can also detect the change and be able to switch to a higher gear automatically because of the pressure sensor built inside of the brush head. This unique design of foldable air tube is just brilliant. Not like other metallic air tubes that makes airy cleaning down under the sofa or table becomes a nightmare, this Redkey foldable design just makes the work piece. The areas that we used to reluctant to clean up, like under the bed, under the table or sofa, with this guy, you can always find a way to reach, and it becomes nothing more easy to do that. As for suction power, its brushless motor can run at the speed of 100,000 rotations per minute. That can generate 23,000 pounds of suction power, easy enough to suck up daily waste like debris and even coffee beans. When we move to its brush head, along the sides, the 2 big wheels can help moving on the carpet slowly and smoothly. The main brush down here can be also easily detached by a simple press on this button. So you can be able to clean and wash it freely. Its forehead also equipped with 2 LED lights that can provide a brighter view when walking in blind angles. Three layers of HEPA-filtration system that can enable itself to filtrate 99% of the dust and keep them stay in the dust container. Also, another HEPA filter right here on the back can be able to filtrate tiny dust and particles from spreading into the air. So don't you worry about the waste air come out from here that will contaminate the air for the second time. Of course, this Redkey vac cleaner also applied with a one-button dust down design just for a better user experience. With this design, you don't have to get your hands into the dust container to clear all the dust inside it. A simple press on the button, all the waste will come out instantly and you don't need to worry about cleaning the dust container with your own hands. And the battery right under the handheld is under a special design. Complete, independent and 100% original innovation. The same as other mainstream vac cleaners, its battery is also swappable with a volume of 2,500 mAh each. One fully top-up can last for 60 minutes under Eco mode and 50 minutes for Turbo mode. And of course the time doubles when you have a swappable battery. So this is everything you might want to know about this brand new handheld vac cleaner Redkey F10. What else do you expect from that?